The next stock that I'm going to analyze is Hindustan Petrol. Uh, Again, the same thing. I've shared my Telegram link in the description if you want to join, have a quick chat, or look at some of the options that we trade. It could be a good opportunity for you to learn and co-learn as well. The second thing is I've given my email. If you have a different opinion, please go ahead and share it, and we can have a discussion on that. Okay, I look at and respond to all the mails that I get. So yeah, looking forward to it. Today we are going to analyze Hindustan Petrol, which is again trading at excellent levels, and like we can actually see support and resistance in form here being respected every now and then. So I'll go ahead. This is the monthly chart. You can see this level being followed so well, so well. Okay, so pretty amazing how this works. The entire technical thing works. So you see the market gave a breakout here. This is a very small, not a big point, but as the market broke here, uh, came back, went up, came back here, gave a wick, but did not close below this point, which means it is not closing above this point right now. As soon as it gives a close here in the daily chart, I think it is a good entry point. But this is a monthly chart, so we will get a lot more story once we get into a weekly or a daily chart. So this is what the story we are getting from our monthly chart. Okay, let us now go and look at the weekly chart. So in the weekly chart, you see the story is not much different. Why would it be? The charts are more or less the same one. But here you see there was a breakout, but then market came back in. Again, here you see the points that we made were not the exact points, but actually a zone, which is what a learning point is. Which is why we should look at market closing, daily closing before entering a trade. Okay, so these are the lines that we see here. This 161 looks like an excellent support, by the way. And now let us move to a daily chart. Now what does the daily chart tell? So actually 221 is not the only level, but this is the zone that we are looking at. If I go back further, I would see that while 203 was being respected, just a minute. While 203 was being respected, this 200 zone, that is a mini, uh, let's say, mini kind of zone, mini kind of support. In terms of entry, we are almost coming towards 230, which this 240 is a booking point. So for 10% profit, it doesn't make sense to enter. But if I shorten the chart a bit, we see the story here. Uh, Once the market gives a closing above this point 240, I think that is when it is safe to enter. So once you have around 250, if you enter, you're looking at a good 30% return here, 20 to 30%. So the first target could be around these prices, 285.90, which is 15-20%. The second point could be around these, and then you can hold on. If it breaks this particular point, you can add some, book that here, and hold whatever you have from here. Okay, so that's how you execute winning trades. Whenever these levels are broken, you add some, you book profits for that, which covers your stop loss. And then let's say next level is broken, you add some more, you take some profits, the market comes down, breaks this level again, you exit your trades. That's how you end up making money, making big money. So you have to enter with some decent quantity at least, and do partial bookings. That is one of the learnings from this. Again, you see very good levels being followed here. This zone, it was broken once, it was broken, but then you see this is like not an excellent zone. Let 243 gets taken out, 243, 245 gets taken out, then you can end this. So that is my take on Hindustan Petroleum. I would say do not too much in this as of now. Let the stock come around these prices, then enter 206 or something, to 200 types or let it break 240 and then enter. But right now, I wouldn't say advise doing anything else. So that is my analysis of Hindustan Petroleum. Hope you find it useful. Thank you so much and have a great day.